Alright, we're back out here at the mill today. I gotta finish up these 2x6x12s to put the sideboards back on that dump truck. So we'll get them cut, and I'll take y'all along for the ride and even show you how I'm gonna put them on the back of the truck. And I'm not really gonna worry too much about the wane right here. Mainly what I need to do is I need to cut as much of this little gap right here out. That's where I trimmed it with a chainsaw. I need to get that cut out of there on that side, and a piece right here on this side. So once I do that, I'll have this width right here at 6 inches. Once I have this at 6 inches, I can flip this over to the bottom and start cutting my 2x6s from the top. That way we won't have as much of a chance to leave that wane on there, although we will have a little bit. As you can see here, I got to cut this out and this little piece right here. And of course, if you're going to go cut wood on a sawmill, one of the main things you probably need is a tape measure. So I forgot mine, but I do have my square. And it looks like that's 8.5 inches. You can't really see it, but right here it's 8.5. I can actually cut off this little gap at the bottom is about, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch. So I can probably cut an inch off the top. Well, y'all can do the math, or we'll figure it out, one of the two. I'm gonna cut an inch off the top just to start with, then flip it over and cut the rest off the bottom. You ever remember to spin it the correct way this time? So once I got to that point right there where I can't cut anymore, still got 2 foot here that I can't cut. My plan was to use some wedges for when I cut trees. Get this little box here. It's got my wedges in it. Get me a couple of these wedges. Alright. Take them wedges right there, move them on down. Once I do that, it brings that blade up far enough and I can just slide it back, get it to about right there. I can find my bar that I left over here. Take this bar and just use it. Alright, so it's gonna work. I gotta have to bring that blade up. Right now we got it set right at 7 inches. Bring it up just a little bit because it's catching right there. Alright. I did get what I was after. I get these 4 2x6x12s. They come out pretty good. The only problem that I can see with them that would, would be a problem if you were doing something that you're finishing out real nice is this right here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's where I adjusted the blade, and it's not at the same level when I finish cutting it out. You can see that one there a little better. So I didn't get the blade exactly back to where it needed to be. But for sideboards on a dump truck, this will be pretty good. This is the last piece here, so you can see all the wane was trapped on this board here. And that's not quite 2 inches. That's more of a regular 2x4, which is, 1.5 inches, 1 3/4. I haven't measured it yet, but it looks like it anyway. These boards here are an actual 2 inch by 6 inch, so they'll work out good. All right, here's what we got going on. The sideboards here, a little rotten. So what I'm planning on doing is taking these boards here off, replacing them with the ones that I just cut. Over here on this other side, it's a little worse. I was loading it up. This whole piece right here just broke off. Just pulled right out of the screws. So we'll fix it. First I gotta get all these screws out of here. Looks like a recent repair. Them screws are not even rusty a little bit. But get those done and we'll go from there. Alright, as you can see, it does look a little better with the new sides on it. It'll help hold the dirt on there when we load it up. Dirt, gravel, whatever we want to put on there. It'll make it a lot better. If y'all like this type of stuff, please subscribe. That way you can see what else I'll be doing with this wood in the future. I've got a lot more to saw up, a lot more projects planned. Thanks for watching.